Alright, so I'm going to explain to you the worksheet that we attached to Schoology. So we're going to try practicing writing, and so before we start writing, we need to brainstorm what we're going to write about. So this paper has 4 boxes, one for people, animals, places, and things. So I'm going to show you what I want you to do. So first, I'm going to draw an animal. So I'm going to draw a dog, because I have 2 puppies. So let's see, I have the face, and the long floppy ears. This white's not a very good drawer, I'm sorry. With its eyes, and nose, and mouth. And he's got his little tongue sticking out. And his body. Tail's gonna come out here. He's got a long fluffy tail. He's got one paw. Oh, these are not very good paws. I'm sorry. 1 paw. Okay, and 4 paws. So that's my dog. So the animal, this is gonna be my puppy Cooper. So I'm gonna write the word Cooper. So I want you to do the same thing in all 4 boxes.